Hi everyone and welcome back to another video. So if you want to enjoy your favorite movies and shows on a bigger screen, casting to your TV from Prime Video lets you stream instantly from your phone, tablet or laptop. In this guide, I will show you step by step how to cast to TV on Prime Videos in 2026, simple and smooth, okay? So first thing first, prepare your devices. So connect to Wi-Fi, like connect your phone or tablet to Wi-Fi, connect your TV or casting device to the same network, okay, the same Wi-Fi. This is required for casting to work, okay? So open Prime Video, like launch the Prime Video app, okay, log into your account, you are ready to cast, okay? Start casting, like tap the cast icon, look for the cast icon, okay? It's usually in the corner or in the top right corner, okay, shows available devices nearby, okay, select your TV, choose your TV, Google Chromecast, okay, you choose your TV in Google Chromecast or Amazon Fire TV Stick, your device will connect instantly, okay? So you have to make sure on your phone that you have this cast icon, okay, on the corner. So control playback, like play, like select a movie or episode, tap play, and video will start on your TV. So pause, play, rewind from your phone, okay? You can control it from your phone, adjust volume and subtitles, okay? Your phone becomes a remote control. So you can also stop casting, like disconnect, tap the cast icon again and select disconnect, okay? So thank you guys for watching this video and see you in the next tutorial.